So today we made sesame chicken and fried rice, and there's some fried green peppers. This is so delicious. You should definitely give this a try. All right, let's get started cooking. First, start by cooking 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts on your stove. Next, cut up 2 washed off green peppers. So to a bowl, you're going to start with 1/4 cup of soy sauce. So next is 1/4 cup honey plus 2 tablespoons. Next is 2 tablespoons ketchup. Two tablespoons oil, olive oil. 1 tablespoon vinegar. This is 1 teaspoon garlic powder. This is 2 tablespoons sesame seeds. I said poppy seeds. Okay, 2 tablespoons cornstarch. I didn't show it, but we are doubling the recipe. So what we showed on here is for 1 piece of boneless, skinless chicken. So if you have 2 like we are, double what we already showed. Next, go ahead and cut up your chicken into small pieces. While you're cutting it, go ahead and put it into your bowl. Go ahead and stir that all up. Okay, no need to clean your pan from before. Just dump your green peppers in there. And then next add a few drizzles of honey to your green peppers. Next add 2 tablespoons soy sauce. I'm gonna stir it up and then move it over to the stove. I have some brown rice started over here, and then some white rice started back there. Here are those beautiful green peppers taken off the stove, and oh my gosh, it smells so good in here. So I have a bag of frozen vegetables going back in the same pan with some olive oil in there too. So the vegetables have been cooking on the stove, and now we're going to crack and scramble a few eggs over here. You add your rice to your pan of vegetables and eggs, and then mix that around. And add about 3 tablespoons or so of soy sauce. Okay, so let's try it. I already did, and it's really good. Anyway, I guess it's all going in. So good. So I have to try it.